The little truck down here in the corner, it's called the Jollymon. It's the service truck on the end. We built that for industrial injection. That was the last one that we just did. And you know, finishing up my power wagon and getting ready to move to a little town called Good Springs, about 20 miles south of Las Vegas. And I'm gonna build a town there that'll be all 1930s. So next year, this time, this will be in an old town 20 miles from here. So it'll be a lot more fun out there. We're gonna have, there's an old bar out there from 1913 that's still there, still operating. I'm gonna put my shop out there, and we're gonna start having some really cool car shows out there and some swap meets, and enjoy the 30s, because I don't know what the hell is going on in our world nowadays.
Where's industrial injection at?
We're out of Salt Lake City. We're out of Salt Lake City, Utah. We've got a couple of different locations around Utah area, but we also take pride in staying here right here in Las Vegas at WelderUp shop. So anything you guys need, Steve can get you hooked up.
What is industrial injection best known for, Dustin?
Making horsepower.
Flathead V8 Fords forever. That's it.
You guys having a good time today? We hope you guys are having a good time. I'm back here in Las Vegas. The name of my company is Sin City Air Effects. I still teach classes with WelderUp. We got our welding classes every other month.
It was a great class. I brought my 14-year-old son with me, and he hasn't been able to stop talking about welding since. We were able to get all different kinds of welders in his hand. It was a great introductory course.
Hey guys, just finishing up here at the WelderUp shop, and everybody's pulling out. It was a great day. We had an awesome turnout today. Just when I thought that we were fully packed, the Cadillac Club showed up with 80 cars and just filled the whole place up. It was awesome. We had a good day. We had some really good vendors here. You know, everybody was just excited to be here. The sun was out. Right now is the first part that the wind is actually picking up, but it's been a great day. Couldn't ask for a better day, actually. So anyway, we're at City Ruckus tomorrow, and then off to the Pioneer Saloon on Sunday morning. We're gonna do another cruise. Too bad you're not here. We'll see you on the next one.